If it were really love, it would never have been a FWB. Love is a metaphysical connection between two souls. Sex is a physical connection between two bodies. FWB is an agreement of a physical connection between two bodies with an admission that it has nothing to do with metaphysical love. In fact, it states clearly that love is not part of the agreement. It was never love, you both agreed on that from the start. The question is, can it become love? Sex without love, not nearly as complicated or committing as love. Your soul and your friend's soul have only love as currency. The two souls have starved themselves of love in exchange for physical passion. He's adhering to the original agreement, you've broken it by wanting your souls to meet. That scares most men. Your bodies have been naked together, your souls have been covered and hidden away from each other, and yours has been starving for love, but what about his? Does he need love? Does he need your love? Sex blinds us of what our souls need. Physical satisfaction is short-lived entertainment. If you seriously think it might have a chance to be love, it's time to strip your soul naked, stop playing games and tell him what you feel. Without that risk, you will just never know. Your language of communication so far is sex, it's time to start communicating with your soul and listening for his soul. Men are lazy in love, especially when our physical needs are well taken care of. We often deny the existence of our soul for as long as we can. Is he ready to talk about his soul? Be gentle, be kind, be patient. If you two discover real love, the sex will never be the same again, it will be infinitely more exciting.